Hi friends, welcome to my channel Easy for You. So today I'm going to provide you the expected cutoffs of any SLET to get 21, and here in this video I'll first consider a few factors which are largely going to be affecting to the any SLET cutoffs. So friends, let's get into the video without wasting any time. Actually what happens friends, a large numbers of factors affect to the cutoffs of every exam. So friends, but it's impossible to consider, it's impossible to take into consideration every factors, but amongst those I have decided to consider a few factors which are very important for providing if I am to provide cutoffs. So friends, the factor one or factor one is the paper itself. If I am to talk about paper one, then it was a very easy one, and that's why for the paper one the cutoffs might increase by 1 or 2%. But if I am to talk about paper 2, which is English, then it was a very tricky one, and that's why. And 25%, around 25% of questions were from assertion and reason type questions, or occupied by assertion and reason type questions. So friends, these questions have baffled in the examinations the candidates. The candidates have been baffled by the um, questions, assertion and reason type questions. So friends, for this paper means for the subject paper, the cutoffs might come down to 2 to 3%, which means it would be the overall percentage would be there somewhere around 58-59%, friends. So friends, this time the cutoffs might come down 1 or 2%. So it's a very good thing for you all